Okay, the keycard battery is low. Fine, let's try to replace this battery now. Hello friends, today I'll show you how to replace the battery of a car key for Renault Captur. Okay, first step would be to press this gray button here and then pull out this portion. Yeah, so the battery is here in this position. Okay, so what you have to do is just put a little pressure on this and move it this way, move it forward. Okay, yeah, this way. So you see the battery here. This key uses Panasonic CR2032 lithium battery. Okay, now remove the old battery this way. Take the new one and place it in position. Okay, and put back the cover. Just press it. Okay, and then place the manual key back into the cover. Done. That's it.